So with a few days na practices, kamusta na yung progress nyo for campaign?
So far we had our best practice today. Very competitive and aggressive yung mga players. So, we're just building each and every day, trying to get better.
Well, how was it having si Boban around?
Exciting, masaya. At least may advantage kami kahit paano, sobrang laki, diba? So, maganda experience namin lahat ito.
First time mo ba sa Joel's Cup?
Hindi. Second time. First time with Ateneo. Yeah. Hindi.
Gaano ka different yun, yung experience mo with Ateneo and this one with Strong Group? Syempre, ibang team, ibang tao yung kasama, pero Philippines pa rin.
Ibang level. Kasi Ateneo, mga college players lang yun. Ito, mga professionals, iba't ibang klaseng level ng talent. So, maganda experience ang lahat.
Well, how do you feel being back representing the Philippines after the Gilas stage?
Siyempre, masaya na ma-represent ulit yung Philippines. Like what I said kanina, blessing, opportunity. So, yeah, happy.
Will you see yourself playing for Gilas again in the future?
Yeah, definitely. If they call my name, I'm happy to represent the national team again. So, why not?
What's next after kung song is
Wala pa. So, right now, dito lang ako, focus lang sa SGA. After nito, I don't know what's gonna happen next. So, anything can happen. So, I'm just waiting I'm just gonna prepare for this moment, and then whatever happens in the future will happen.
Did they come back?
Yeah, hopefully. Why not? Nakabahan ako kasi 2 years. So, if tanggalin nila yun, balik ako.
Pero may offers.
Wala pa. For now, wala pa. Yeah.
Pero yung rights mo, tama ba? Nasa Titan.
Titan, yeah. Okay.
Pero nag-appeal kayo doon?
Nag-appeal naman. So, we're just waiting for what we're gonna say.
Pero nakatulong sa'yo yung Korean stay sa tour mo sa basketball.
Nakatulong? Syempre nakatulong. Champion kami dun. So, maganda experience ng competition, environment. Out of my comfort zone yun. Something new, something different. Sobrang ibang experience yung ganun. Parang basically mag-isa lang ako doon, not knowing anybody, pero I still went for it kasi I wanted a challenge. So, definitely nakatulong sa atin sa development ko, sa skills ko, ganun, and everything.
Pero yung second Jones Cup mo, aside mo SG, siguro gano'n ka-excited back then, almost, almost kayo makapag-podium now, you're going for 3-peat na league.
Like what I said, kaya excited kami lahat for this opportunity na syempre kasama mga talented players, mga star players. Pero syempre andun yung expectations, pero kailangan we take it one step at a time. Hindi pwedeng championship agad yung labanan kasi para man yun, one game at a time lang naman yun. Yeah.
Thanks, sir.
Thank you.